I am very excited to announce that Virmer will take part of an amazing event for the entire metalworking industry, Metavak 2023, a platform where the latest techniques and innovations are presented by the leaders of the industry, products, innovations and knowledge. From October 10th, 11th and 12th from 1 o'clock to 9 o'clock p.m. You will find the address below. 3 days for 115 exhibitors to meet with more than 6,200 visitors. During the visit, you'll be able to meet manufacturers, suppliers of machines, softwares, automation solutions, tools and complementary products. And this year, in Metavak will be presented a freely accessible knowledge program. You surely don't want to miss this event. At the exhibition, Virmer will present a milling machine, the Wattsan 0609 Mini, a Laser CO2 machine, the Wattsan 6090 LT, two markers, the Wattsan UVTT 3V and the Wattsan FLTT Fiber Marker 50 watts.
Also, there will be the presentation of our laser cleaning and laser welding machines, the Wattsan 1500 watts.
Click in the link in the description below to get a free ticket. Metavak 2023. You will find us at the address in the description, at the stand E128. See you there!